Hey everyone, Nathan here with Rise Vision Support. Today I'll show you how to export details for all your displays at once. First, head to Displays in the left-hand side panel. From there, use the option in the top left corner to bulk select every display in your company. Next, we're going to look at the bottom right-hand corner here, and we're going to choose that three-dot menu and select Export All. You'll see a confirmation letting you know that the export file is being prepared and will be emailed to your account at your email address provided. In just a moment, you'll get an email from noreply@risevision.com with a zip file. It'll look a lot like this. Inside of that, you'll find a complete breakdown of your display information for all your displays in your company that you selected, including company ID, name, parent company, IP addresses, MAC addresses, viewport, height, width, any details that you would really need. That's all there is, and hope you find this helpful.